Otters are playful, intelligent, semi-aquatic mammals known for their cute faces, sleek bodies, and energetic behavior. They belong to the weasel family,
Mustelidae,
along with ferrets and mink.
Types of otters.
There are 13 otter species found across Asia, Europe, Africa, and the Americas. Some well-known ones include
sea otter lives in the ocean and floats on its back. Common in rivers and lakes, Asian small-clawed otter,
the smallest and very social species.
Otters live near water, sources such as rivers, lakes, wetlands, and coastlines. Sea otters are unique